Okay, let's start with the question. It says that a certain culture of bacteria quadruples every hour. Right? Let's understand the question first. Right? Quadruples means if let's say, can we understand that if it's one, right? If the initial population of that bacteria is one, it becomes quadruple means it becomes four times, right? That is the understanding of the question till this point. It says if a container with these bacteria was half full at 10 o'clock. Okay, so there is some half full at 10 o'clock. So can we also understand the next, this is in 1 hour from 1 to 4, it became 4 times, right? In next 1 hour, this will quadruple. That means it will be multiplied by 4. So 4 times 4, that is 16. This is the understanding of the question. Are we clear? Next 1 hour. So 16 times 4, that is 64. This is how the population will grow every hour. Now, according to question, or if we understand, can we say that 16, right? 1 hour before must be 1/4 of this value, right? 1/4 of 16 will be nothing else but 4. Similarly, if we have 64 as the population, can we understand that 1 hour before the population will be 1/4 of 64? Does that make sense? Now the question says that solving the question, let's understand the step 2. Let's try solving. Now the question says that half the bacteria at 10 o'clock. That means it is half full at 10 o'clock. Let's say the total population is X, right? Let's say the total population is X. So at 10 o'clock, the population is half of the complete population, which we have taken as X. So what will be 1 hour before? Can we say at 9 a.m.? Can we understand like this? It will be 1/4 of this value, right? In 1 hour, it actually multiplied by 4. That means 1 hour before, it must be 1/4 of this population. So that means at 9 o'clock, it will be 1/4 of X by 2. Yes or no? Of the 10 a.m. population, and 1/4 of X by 2 in a simple terms is nothing else but X by 8 at 9 o'clock. The question is, at what time was it 1/8 the full population? We have to find out what is the time when it was 1/8 of the total population. So that means we have to find out X by 8, and that at what time? It was at 9 a.m. That means option A must be the correct one, right? Similarly, if we understand what will be the population 1 hour before 9 a.m., right? That's not the question, but let's understand the clearly and carefully. So can we say 1 hour before the population must be 1/4 of this population? So it must be 1/4 of X by 8. So that must be nothing else but the population at 8 a.m. Are we clear? So that means this population must be X by 32. So this is how it will go and go. It will move on the left hand side as well as on the right hand side. When it's growing, it will be multiplied by 4. When you have to see the previous R, you will be dividing by 4, which we have done here. Therefore, A is the correct answer. I hope the question is quite clear and the steps which we have understood is quite clear. So understanding of the question is very, very critical. That makes the accuracy and your speed increase. I hope the point is quite clear. Let's now move to the next question.